Alright guys, what's going on? Please like and subscribe to the channel, click the icon alert if I make new videos. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Good to see you back, good to see you on. Today is 9/8/20. Today we're up, down actually, red day, 18.9 K red day. What's going on, Nashway, Joshua? Red day. I think that's everything. Day 190 I think is today. Alright, there's that. Go here. Boom, there's that. Now let me post this on social media quick. Okay, I'm live going over today's late red day mistake. 18.9K. What's going on, Ban? What's going on? One bad. Alright, trading floor. Post that there. Small caps. Come on, come on, come on. Trying to do this in record speed here. Options. Options alerts. Okay, there's that. Let me post it on social media now. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. What's going on, Zara? I'm just trying to get everything posted here quickly. Oops. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do record speed today. Come on. I am live. There's that. Now, what was the hot tickers today? So there was lube, right? We had next. Work is making some moves. We had SPRO. We had CODX as well. Alright, boom, there's that. Okay, now let me go on TikTok and go live on there now. Scroll over to live, go over to... Okay, down 18,000. Alright, cool. Now we're on live on TikTok. Alright, guys, what's going on? What's going on? Good to have you on. Good to have you in. Sorry about the delay there. It looks like my camera already froze up. I apologize about that. Other than that, guys, we're just kind of hanging out right now. Letting everybody kind of trickle on in. Today was definitely a red day. Honestly, should have been a green day. I was up about $8,800 right before the close. Gave some back on CODX, and then WORK I screwed up on as well. What's going on, Serverless Notes? Good to have you on. What's going on, ESA or ESU? Sorry if I mispronounce it. So yeah, today was definitely a slower day. Kind of just swing trading some stocks. Towards the end of the day, I started to scalp some names, started to make some money. Towards the end of the day, got out of my swings. It didn't work. And it was doing alright. Then I tried to play WORK after hours and got screwed on that one. And I'll go over that here in a moment, but I want to let everybody kind of trickle on in and get everybody a chance to get on in here. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed your Labor Day weekend. I know that it was a long weekend. It was a 3-day weekend. And, you know, with that being said, you know, it's one of those things where, you know, trading in itself has been slower as of late, especially in the small cap land. So I've been trading mid caps and blue chips and been doing pretty well. But today, got a little too out of my comfort zone on WORK and, you know, screwed the trade up, and I'll cover that basically towards after hours. I screwed that trade up. But what's going on, C. Conte? What's going on, 28? Delby? What's going on, Master Marie? 28. David Anderson, what's going on? What's going on, TikTok? Why are you always holding a golf club? Because I love golf. What's up, man? Thanks for all the good info. I appreciate that. Donut TV. Laron Reed, what's going on? Alright, guys. So that you guys can see on my, I'll scroll up and down on my buys and sells today. So this is all my orders for today, fully verified, fully printed on the side here. My covers, my shorts, my longs, everything fully verified. What's going on, Clipsy? Yeah, I remember you. So I'll scroll up and scroll down one more time here, so that way you guys can pause it on YouTube and look back on my trades if you want to look through my timestamps. Okay, there's all those trades. Yeah, rough day. What's going on, Elson Bear? Yep, 18K. Yep, I'm down $18,000. Yep. Why are you always? Are you at that? Hey Cam, what's going on, Jose Santo? Toyo, what's going on, Jose Santoyo? In all reality, guys, I'm actually, you know, it was a good day in my inherited IRA. I'm up over $100,000 in my inherited IRA. So really, it's not a bad day. It's actually a pretty damn good day. I was swing trading CODX in that account, and I nailed that one. Here is the screenshot that I took of it. So yeah, I mean, it is a red day in my challenge account, but my inherited IRA, I'm up over $110,000 on the day on that account. So in reality, you know, today's a bright green day for me, but in my challenge account, I got too aggressive, got too cocky, and you know, that's the name of the game. You get too aggressive, the market will humble you, and that's what happened. The market definitely humbled me today. I felt like I couldn't lose. CODX, I was up as much as like $140,000 in my inherited IRA today. But you know, that's trading, and you know, you have to be able to. What's going on, Happy Delta? What's going on, Rafi? What's going on, Sukran Multani? You have to be able to handle those type of days. But nonetheless, guys, let's kind of go over today's trading days. So, let's pull up some charts here. So, AKBA, guys. AKBA was one that I'm still watching. Was trying to long this one off the dip, seeing if we get an uptrend. This one had a huge gap down. A lot of times when you see these huge gap downs, they can have a nice rubber band effect. What's going on, Right Man 2? Good to see you on. Haven't seen you on in a while. What's going on? So I tried to play this one for rubber band effect. Didn't get it. But still watching that one for the next couple of weeks. What else? AHPI. AHPI is a coronavirus name. It's a bottom bouncer that I'm still going to be watching. Maybe I didn't see that, but watching this one. It's the first green candle you've seen in a while on it because of, I believe, CODX. CODX finally, I don't know how many times I have to say it, but finally CODX had its bounce play. I mean, I have taken paper cut loss after paper cut loss after paper cut loss on CODX all the way down. I had never seen a chart like that in my career. And so, you know, when I see something as rare as that, usually there's a big opportunity. You know, when you don't see something with a chart pattern that you've never seen before, usually there's a rare opportunity, and today was that opportunity. We traded over 20 million shares in CODX. I actually had a pretty big size position in my inherited IRA. That's the reason why I made today's gains in my inherited IRA account. And, you know, watching that one into tomorrow. But we finally got that reversal, guys. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Those of you guys in my NorMacNoTrading.com chat room know that I've been waiting for this one for a while. We're talking a couple of weeks now. So I took paper cut loss after paper cut loss after paper cut loss on the way down. But I more than doubled my profits today after all my losses in CODX. So, you know, that's really the name of the game. The more rare the setup, the bigger the size I will take. This one was a very rare setup. I also don't have a lot of data to prove that this actually works out, so it's hard for me to take as much size as I would have liked, but good to see the volume come through today on that one. So that's why I'm watching HPI and like all these coronavirus names. It's tomorrow, IBIO as well. What else did we play? Tesla, we nailed this short into the close. So we nailed Tesla short into the close there. I was short at 338, and I covered, I believe, right on that candle. Let me see where I covered here. Where did I cover? 333.37. So I covered on that candlestick right there, 333.37. So right on that line, continue to trickle on down, and so that was a nice short on Tesla there. That was basically put me up about $8,800 on the day. CODX tried to long into the close, didn't get anything out of it. I took a loss on that. SCON, nice little small winner, and at that point we were at $5,500. Okay, and then WORK came around. This one had tanked, and I started longing, and I eventually built up an average of 24.91. Not a terrible average. I mean, this came down, this came down, this came down, and finally I got a 24.91 average. And I stopped out with big size right in here, and that really cost me. I went from being up 5,500 on the day to being down 18,800. And really what I was looking for in WRK was like a quick $5,000 to $10,000 trade on it, and walking away with my head held up high. But you know, again, size is a big deal. Size is a huge deal, and I went into a stock that basically could have you know, kept going down. And again, I don't have a lot of data on what WORK type setup is when it comes to being a newer IPO, when it comes to being tanking after hours off of earnings. You know, I've seen a lot of earnings plays where they come down and then they slowly grind back up through highs, maybe get through the highs. So that's kind of what I was looking for, but honestly I was just looking to get through 25 and scale out like 25.30s, 25.20s. We didn't get that. I took some off right into that pop, or I tried to, but got slippage on it. And the rest I stopped out literally like on that candlestick, those lows, which is a terrible trade. Right in here I'd only be down like, I think like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 would have been break even on the day. Okay. But at the end of the day, guys, you know, again, that is trading. That is trading. You're going to have mistakes. You're going to make mistakes. I got in with way too big a size with an area that I don't have a lot of knowledge and background on when it comes to IPO, when it comes to, you know, earnings after hours, and that big of a tank with that kind of size. I don't have a lot of experience with that type of setup. So I shouldn't have sized up like I did, and that's what cost me, is sizing up like I had confidence. And really I shouldn't have, because I don't have a lot of data in my head to back that up. So that basically was it. You know, that one trade cost me about $23,000. You know, and at the end of the day, that is what it is. So, but you know, trading is trading, and you got to move on. You know what I mean? So today is definitely a red day, nonetheless. You know, it's not fun to come on here and say that I'm red. If you guys are interested in the free chat room below, click the link in the description below. Haven't started doing any of this, but start to get interest. Where do I start? So you can start in my free chat room, normacnoltrading.com, and there's a video in the announcements room right here, and it basically covers how to use the chat room. There's tons and tons of free resources you can use down here in the educational rooms. Study all these rooms; they're 100% for free. Again, study all these rooms; they're 100% for free. And then, you know, after that, you can keep studying those rooms. I also have a course that's obviously, you know, doing all right. Yeah, good point. My options account is down to $3,300. My SPY calls did not pan out, so I ended up taking a loss on my SPY calls, and now just like that, I'm down to about $3,300 in that account. Still from $1,000 up on it though. Got a little too aggressive with that overnight, especially a 4-day weekend. Didn't pan out and kind of got scraped a little on the options account, but still up to $3,300 on it. Started to take some Apple calls into the close. We'll see if I add a note to those tomorrow. What's going on, Kenneth? What's going on, Kyle Lim? What's going on, Jet? Yeah, again, if you guys could support my channel, I would really appreciate that. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to alert if I make new videos. That would be a big help to the normacnoltrading.com community. If you please like and subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button over and over again if you can. That really helps the channel out. Me coming on for free and basically giving you guys a free lesson and daily recap every single day. It takes a lot of time out of my day. and I really appreciate it if you guys could support the channel by just by doing me a quick, easy favor by liking the channel and making sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, liking and subscribing to the channel, I would really, really appreciate that. We should be able to get the likes up to at least 40. We have 70 people live right now on YouTube. Also, free chat room in the link description below if you're interested in that. My course, as always, teaches you guys my strategies that has helped me succeed over the years, and literally has almost every, I believe it has every strategy that I use to this day, because I'm adding more and more live videos to the video series course. It is expensive, but it's a lot cheaper than student loans, a lot cheaper than student debt. And yeah, so that's really all I had today, guys. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos. Check out all the links in the description below if you're interested in my free chat room, my course, my brokerage that I recommend that gives you up to $1,400 in free stocks. Anybody who doesn't believe that, talk to Top Chat. Trust me, they do give you free stock up to $1,400, but not saying that they will give you up to the $1,400. It's probably going to be like $10 or $5 or I don't know, $15, whatever. But you have a chance to. All my scanners are in the link description below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos. Cheers, team.